काय ना, we had a review of the whole thing. We need a networking thing happening. जे आम्ही फाटी केल्ले लास्ट 40 days we have reviewed the whole system. खंय चेंजीस जाय कितें करपा जाय infrastructure connectivity. आता बेसिकली फ्रॉम द पॉलिसी पॉयंट ऑफ व्यू वेर द IT पॉलिसी आणि स्टार्टअप पॉलिसी हांच्या खातीर रिवायव करपाक बस तयार जावपाक जाय दॅट पीपल आर देर डिसबर्समेंट्स हॅव टू हॅपन सर्टिफिकेशन हॅव टू हॅपन events have to happen. We have to announce our plans and we need to ensure that we start looking at employability in the right sense. Taja Khatir, we had called experts from the industry. We had called industrialists, we had called academia and government was there. So we have channelized a lot of brainstorming session on how things need to move ahead. What are the expectations of the industry, how we can correlate. एक वाटेन आमकां स्किल्ड मॅनपॉवर जाय पडटा पूण दुसऱ्या वाटेन देर आर चॅलेंजीस की आज समज इंडस्ट्री येतली जाल्यार स्किल्ड मॅनपॉवर आमचे कडेन आसा काय ना कित्याक ऑलरेडी द manpower is being taken up by the companies which are there. So how do we handle this? Infrastructure तयार करता आसतना what are our priorities? So we have done a basic session today. After reviewing the whole departments आणि कितें आमचो प्लॅन कितें आसा आमचो विजन कितें आसा तो फुडें कॅरी फॉरवर्ड करपाक हांकां घेवन करचें पडटलें कित्याक दिस इज हाव वी डू. New concepts we need to bring in. We need to be one of a kind. We need to bring the best practices of other states if required. Yes, from हे सगळं तयार करतले जाल्यार इट कॅनॉट बी गव्हर्मेंट डुईंग अलोन. एंड आय हॅव बीन ऑन रिकॉर्ड सेईंग गव्हर्मेंट कॅन बी अ फॅसिलिटेटर. सो ताज्या खातीर को वर्किंग स्पेस कित्याक कमी पडटात जाल्यार सगळें सोल्ड आउट जाल्यार कितें करपाक जाय वॉट आर एक्सपेक्टेशन्स फ्रॉम द गव्हर्मेंट वॉट वी शूड डू. वी हॅव हॅड सम लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज वीच हॅव बीन डिस्कस टुडे. वी विल एन्श्योर दॅट थिंग्स आर गेटिंग सॉर्टेड वन बाय वन. वी हॅव अंडरस्टूड की इमिजिएटली पयलो एक आमच्या भितर एक सेशन जावपाची गरज आसा वेर वी ऑल इंटरॅक्ट. द इंडस्ट्री इंटरॅक्ट्स, द एकेडमिया इंटरॅक्ट्स, the government interacts and ताज्या खातीर we'll may be having a few announcements on that particular day. रोकडोच आमी एक 8-10 दिसा भितर we want to have a small event. That event which will have the whole IT fraternity coming together, sharing of thoughts, discussions, announcements हे करून and a networking evening is what we want to do. हातूंतल्यान एक इकोसिस्टम तयार करपाक फुडें मदत जातली. So from skilling perspective to employment perspective to connectivity to infrastructure, whatever we have reviewed for the plan ahead to be successful, we need everybody together.
तुम्ही म्हणलं एक इव्हेंट करतलो ऑर्गनायज तो फक्त गोवा लिमिटेड आसतले काय गोव्या भायले सुद्धा
सद्याचो पयलो जो इव्हेंट आसतलो विल बी विथ द चीफ मिनिस्टर, me as the IT minister and the IT fraternity, which will include a part of the academia who are involved in this. It will include a part of the influencer categories who are there. We need to promote ourselves rightly. So, we have understood a gap